Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna make another video so that I can speak here and I can practice my English. So I'm trying every day to improve my English, and more of the time when I'll be getting free, so at that time I'm getting out for practicing my English. And because only practice is the one way that we can enhance and um, we can improve our English. So that's why I'm getting out for practice my English. And sometime when I'm getting busy, so at the moment I'm just thinking that okay, I will make another video later. So that's why at the moment I'm just making my plan, and then for getting out for making my video. And one thing in me is that sometimes it's gonna be the problem is not being consistency, um, because from the past year when I was just making my video for the first time. At that moment what happened is I found my YouTube channel and then I uploaded some kind of video. But we're gonna we haven't after that age, because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't upload any video. So at the moment, what happened? The subscriber which was in my channel, uh, they are like just out. So that's why it's the problem, because I'm not consistency. So even now it's like happening the same, that when I'm not getting time, so at that moment I couldn't make any video and I'm unable to shoot any video. So that's what happened is after that I will never upload any video. So it's problem is now also. So now I'm thinking that if I'm now making my video and I'm just started my journey, and I will keep it off. If I will not stay consistency, then I can't do anything. So consistency is one thing. So by me you can also understand and you can also realize that everything which we want to do and we want to do in our life, so we have to stay consistency and we have to do everything which we want to do. So really thing is that when we are feeling like lazy and feeling like to not do anything, so at the moment what can I do? So we have to think ourselves that if I will not do this or that thing, then what happened afterwards? So that's the thing. Always when I am thinking something and I'm doing something at that moment, sometimes it's coming to my mind that if I'm doing this, it's the right thing and I can achieve anything from here or not. So at that moment only I think that, and only I realize that if I will not do this work, then I can't do anything. So that's why I try that thing, and I think okay, let's see the result, because without doing anything you can't get your result, right? So that's why I'm also thinking like that, okay, I will try it and I will do it, and then I will see my result. If it's felt okay, it's for first time or second time, or like third time, then I will get succeed. That's why I always think that okay, I will stay consistency. I will try to upload my every yeah video every day, so that I can be consistency, and then um, yeah, which I want to really in my life, so I can get that. So this is just my practice time. So I was practicing my English, and if you want to practice with me, then I will provide you. So yeah, in later I can contact with you and I can contract with you. Okay, so that's why don't think that I am coming soon and I will practice with you. If you are interested just in me, so we can talk each other from any platform which I will provide you. So stay tuned here always and stay motivated, and keep watching my video, every video which I have just uploaded, and so you'll get motivated yourself and you will get an idea and how to speak English and how to improve your English speaking skill. So thank you guys. Here it's evening now, it's about 5:30. I'm shooting my video, and now I'm returning to my home, And I'm concluding here my video. So thank you everyone again.